Buddy Flufftail and the Magical Garden, presented by CambridgeClassroom.com and YouTube.com/MagYSAPod. Buddy is playing fetch in the park when he notices a glowing butterfly fluttering toward a thick cluster of trees. Curious, he decides to follow it. Buddy discovers a shimmering, flower-covered archway that serves as the entrance to the magical garden. As he steps through, the world transforms into a vibrant, glowing wonderland filled with colorful flowers, sparkling ponds, and tiny floating lights. In the garden, Buddy meets Lumi, a friendly glowworm who guides him through the magical pathways. Lumi explains that the garden is powered by kindness and creativity. Buddy and Lumi come across a patch of singing flowers whose notes are out of tune because they're thirsty. Buddy fetches water from a sparkling pond to help them sing beautifully again. Buddy Flufftail's here today. Today, a fluffy cup who loves to play. Golden fur and sparkling eyes. He's a friend and full of Buddy and Lumi encounter a glowing bridge that asks riddles before it allows anyone to cross. Buddy solves the riddles with Lumi's help, unlocking a path to the heart of the garden. In the center of the garden, Buddy and Lumi find a meadow filled with fireflies performing a synchronized light dance. Buddy joins the fun, leaping and twirling in delight. Buddy approaches an ancient, glowing tree that gives him a golden leaf as a reward for his kindness and courage. The leaf sparkles as it lands in his paw. As the adventure ends, Lumi guides Buddy back to the park, where the magical archway disappears, leaving Buddy with the glowing golden leaf as a memory of his magical journey.